YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, it's all about my February Ipsy Glam Plus box. So if you want to see what I got for this month, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing today's video because I got my February Ipsy Glam Plus box. And I'm super excited because it kind of took a minute and I was getting a little nervous. I was about to hit them up and be like, where's my box? Hello. But yes, I got my box. I'm still waiting on my bag and my BoxyCharm for the month too. So I was really excited to get this today. So if you do not know what the Ipsy Glam Plus bag is, I know I keep saying box because it comes in a box. So it is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 full-size beauty products for $25 a month, and they usually value over like $150. So that is not bad at all. I think last month it was like over $200 for the box. So it was a really nice box last month. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll have that linked up above or down below in the description box so you can check out those goodies. But yes, let's get started. So I got my handy dandy scissors, pink, and we're gonna just cut this little tape. And we have our box, and it says discover yourself. And what I've noticed is they've been sticking with this like orangey foam. I think this orangey foam, before I think it used to change colors with the theme of the month. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. But yes, these are our amazing products. So let's get in it. So, because this time I'm in it and I am in it, okay? But first off, I have, it says a Inkliner by Makiage. I'm so sorry if I'm saying the name wrong, Makiage. I've seen this brand before, and I did get something from them before, but I have not used it yet. And yeah, this, ooh, it's a felt. Ooh, it's a pen. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Nice. And it's in black. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. What else does it say about it? Is it waterproof or anything of that nature? It doesn't say. It just says it's an ink liner from a Germany company, made in Germany. So I'm going to try this out. Today, this is the little pamphlet that comes in a box. I don't never read this unless I have to. And in today's, this month's theme is going to be Feel the Love. Because you know February is all about the love. So yes. So we'll have this on standby just in case. And then the next thing that is sticking out to me is by Murad. This is the Essential C Day Moisturizing Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. That sounds nice. I know I use some vitamin C now, but yeah, I do like Murad. So this is the box it comes in. Look, I just took it out all quick because, you know, I was excited. And this is her. It's a full-size product. Okay. So this is nice to have. Let me see if she has any scent or anything. I doubt it because usually they don't have scent. Nope, it doesn't. Let's see. Let's rub it and see how it feels. Okay. Oh, it does have a little scent. Okay. It's like a little apricot-y. It says apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. Which, yeah, that's what you do with vitamin C. Yeah, it smells like an apricot. But yeah, it says reveal radiance and protect skin from UV damage with the vitamin C rich SPF moisturizer. Potent oxidant ginkgoid biloba leaf extract helps shield skin from environmental aggressors such as pollution for a glowing, healthy looking complexion. So you know I'm going to be using this tomorrow, okay? Keep my face nice and glowy because we like that glowy skin. So this is a lipstick. It's Soul Velvet Lipstick. And it says Touch and Soul. Pretty Filter Soft Velvet Lipstick, Seoul Rose. So I think this is a collaboration with South Korea because it has Korean writing on it. And when it said Seoul Rose, they spelled it in Seoul, like Seoul, Korea. So, okay. It says how to use lip stained look. Start in the center of the lips and smooth outwards towards corner of mouth. Define lips lined with velvet lipstick and full in for an intense semi-matte look. So yes, this is really cute, and it looks like it's a touch in Seoul, and it's made in Korea. So let's open. I'm going to show you the packaging, and let's open this up. It is a pretty soft matte, and let's look. Oh yeah, it's a pink matte color. So let's see. Now ooh, that is pretty on my skin tone. Okay. Come through, boo. And it went on really creamy and buttery. And it looks like it's not going anywhere. So, yes, I'm excited to try this out. So, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, because I think I'm going to do a pink look tomorrow. Next up, I have an eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, and I love eyeshadow palettes from Dominique Cosmetics. I've got a couple in my box, and I really, really like it. They're really, really pretty. So let's open this bad boy up. She's so, so pretty. It's like a snake skin. And the box kind of has like, you could feel it, like the skin is raised. It's raised. And same on the box. It is raised on the packaging. It was so nice. Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, these are some really pretty colors, especially for the springtime coming up. And I am kind of, if y'all know, I'm like a natural type of gal. So these are really pretty. Definitely can't wait to play with these ones. Probably not tomorrow because tomorrow I'm trying to do a pink look. But definitely cute to do some mauve greens and blues and stuff. Those are the colors that I wear in the spring. So definitely cute, and I can't wait to try it. The mirror on here, it is small. Look at that. It's very small, you guys. But it's actually just perfect for your eyes. Like, literally, it focuses just on my eyes. And you can just do. You don't even see the rest of your face. It's pretty much my eyes and my eyebrows, which is kind of neat. So, I think this is really, really cute. And I can't wait to play with this one. Next up, I got some masks. And these are by the Sweet Chief. So I'm assuming that this is going to count as one whole product because it's 3 different masks. Or Sweet Chef. It's by the Sweet Chef. Sorry, not Sweet Chief. Don't add Sweet Chef, okay? And it came with several different ones. So this one says Beet plus Vitamin A, Fresh Pressed, Sheet Mask, Refines Pores, and Smooths Rough Skin. Says vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens and synthetic dyes and fragrances. Selfie approved, beat of my heart. And that is super, super cute right there. And then the next one I got is Ginger plus Vitamin C, Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask, brightens dark spots and uneven tone. That's for your girl right here. And it says selfie approved. Oh, ginger snap. Super, super cute. I like this packaging. It is cute. And the next one is Kale plus Vitamin B. Hydrates and soothes dry skin. Selfie approved. Don't kill my vibe. That is so funny to me. I mean, it's like one of those like, that was a joke, but then it's like, that's kind of funny low-key. So I'm going to end up probably stealing that. Don't kill my vibe, okay? Don't kill my vibe, y'all. No. But yes, that is, and then last but not least, we got this bag for this month, which is really, really pretty. It does match the theme of the products that I got, the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette, because it's like a lavender color with some purple and pink going on. So I think that's really, really cute. And as y'all know, I love purple and I love pink. So I'm definitely going to be using this little makeup bag, okay? Yes, this is cute. Let me start putting stuff in there now. But yes, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of February. And I am pretty happy with all of the items that I got. The only thing that I would say that, you know, you can't go wrong with the eyeliner, but I have so many of them. But yes, this is, you can never go wrong. You can, and I feel like you can never have too many anyway, because come on now. So I can't wait to try this out and see how it works and if I can maneuver with it, because you know we all have our set brushes and set eye pencils and pens and gel liners that we like to use. And you know, I'm gonna see if this works for me. This lipstick is very, very pretty. I'm going to be wearing this tomorrow, so I can't wait to try that out and see how it lasts all day. Does it dry my lips out and so forth. The Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer is super, 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 super bomb.com to have, because it has vitamin C in it that helps brighten your skin and even tones out. And it also has SPF 30 in there, which is going to protect your skin from the sun rays and other aggressors out there in the world. Okay, and we want some nice pretty skin, don't we? I know I do. So yes, so I'm really, really happy with everything I got. And then this Dominique's Cosmetics palette is so pretty. I love the way it was constructed. It is just beautiful. I love it. There's a nice little transition color in there for me. And yeah, I can't wait to play with this. I got some outfits in mind, boo, and some looks in mind. And it's so small and compact, and it fits right in this cute little bag. We got the Murad in there too. But yes, super cute. So I am pleased. And can't go wrong with the mask. Because you know, gotta keep our canvas together, boo. Our canvas looking nice. So I'm excited to try these masks and see which one works on my face the best and whatnot. But you know, I am like a mask junkie. I keep a stockpile of them because I just love them so much, because I love doing spa days at home and so forth. But yes, I'm pleased with everything that I received from Ipsy this month. So comment down below what was your favorite item out of this month's Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Because I did like everything. This one, you know, I could have did without, but you can't go wrong with an eyeliner. So yes, but that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.